Good morning, students. Today, History, Unit 8, Nationalism, Gandhian Phase. The continuation, students. Listen here carefully. Revolutionary activities. In the revolutionary activities of the national movement, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were started the revolutionary activities during that time of the national movement. They started Hindustan Republican Association. Hindustan Republican Association were started, and Hindustan Republican Association were renamed as Hindustan Socialist Republican Association in 1928. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association in 1928. It was converted into Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Hindustan Republican Association was started by Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev. After that, it was converted into Hindustan Socialist Republican Association in 1928. When the revolutionary movement was started, during that time, the police officer, a British police officer, assaulted the Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was assaulted by the English police officer. He was injured and finally he was died. Lala Lajpat Rai was died. He was known as Lion of Punjab. Already told you. So, Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt were very angry. When Lala Lajpat Rai was died, the Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt were very angry, and they threw the smoke bomb inside the Central Legislative Assembly in 1929. Smoke bomb were thrown by B.K. Dutt and Bhagat Singh. Was very angry when the Lala Lajpat Rai died. So they threw the smoke bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly in 1929. And many people support goes to Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt. They shouted, "Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad!" They shouted, "Inqilab Zindabad!" They insisted in proletariat. Proletariat means Patali Vargam. The proletariat, they encouraged the proletariat. And finally, Bhagat Singh and Raj were died, captured and put into the death. Chittagong Armory Raid. The Chittagong Armory Raid was started in 1930 by Surya Sen. Armory means it is weapon dumped in one place. No. That is known as armory. Chittagong Armory Raid was started in 1930 by the Surya Sen. Surya Sen was captured armories in Chittagong. And after that, he proclaimed provisional revolutionary government. Provisional revolutionary government were announced by the Surya Sen. In 1933, Surya Sen was caught and hanged. In Chittagong, he captured armories. left movement in 1930s. In 1930s, Communist Party was started. Communist Party was started. In 1929 and 1930, Great Depression were occurs. Initially, USA, the Great Depression was started. On that I told you that that is Herbert Hoover and Franklin D. Roosevelt. They were the leaders of the USA during that time, and during that time the Great Depression was started. In India also affected a lot because of trade were declined during that time, not able to export and import from one country to another because of Great Depression in 1929 and 1930. The countries were suffered a lot. Many people were not able to trade with one country to another, and agriculturally backward in a position. The fall of prices, all the goods and services prices were less, fall. The Communist Party fight for peasants and industrial workers. Communist Party fight for peasants and industrial workers during that time. The unemployment problem were arose in 1934. Unemployment problem were arose in 1934. The Congress Socialist Party was started by Jayaprakash Narayan, Acharya Narendra Dev and Mino Masini. In 1934, the Congress Socialist Party were founded by Jayaprakash Narayan, Acharya Narendra Dev and Mino Masini. Government of India Act 1935. In 1935, in India, all the leaders joined together and the act were passed. In that act were known as Government of India Act 1935. According to the Government of India Act 1935, the following points were declared by the Government of India Act. First one, provincial autonomy and diarchy at the center. Provincial autonomy, the self-government. All the provinces self-government is necessary. And also diarchy, di means two government at the center. Secondly, All India Federation with 11 provinces. All India Federation were started. Federation means join together. All India Federation, all the states joined together and development works were made. With 11 provinces, 6 chief commissioner provinces and princely state joined together, and princely states also joined together in the federation. Joined the federation. Major princely states were joined the federation, and 11 provinces, 6 chief commissioner provinces were joined to the federation. All subjects were transferred to Indian ministers. All subjects were transferred into Indian ministers during that time. Ministries by the act, during the 1935 act, the Burma was separated from India. Burma was separated from India. Congress ministries and their work. In the Government of India Act 1935, the Congress wanted to contest the election. In the Government of India Act, announced the election in 1937. In 1937, in that act, one of the main point is they announced the election in 1937. According to that, Congress contest the election. Out of 11 provinces, 7 provinces were victorious by the Congress. So finally, Congress formed the 8 provinces. Formed the government in 8 provinces. Assam is one of the coalition government was started. Coalition government. Coalition means Koottani. Assam, the coalition government was started. In the Assam Valley, Muslim party led by Sir Muhammad Sadullah. Muslim party came into exist by Sir Muhammad Sadullah. After that, the Indian people were socially backward in a position. The temple entry movement was started. And also, secondly, education were given importance in India. Finally, public health care were provided to all the people. Listen here, students. Once again, I am going to recall revolutionary activities. In the revolutionary activities, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were started the revolutionary activities in the national movement. During that time, Hindustan Republican Association was started. The Hindustan Republican Association were renamed into Hindustan Socialist Republic Association in 1928. Lala Lajpat Rai was assaulted by the English police officer. He was injured and finally he was died. It was echoed everywhere in our country. So many people boycotted the British goods and services and also British orders boycotted by the Indian. Then Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt were through the bomb. Yes, smoke bomb inside the Central Legislative Assembly in 1929. They shouted, many people joined together and they shouted Inqilab Zindabad and they encouraged the proletariat. Finally, Bhagat Singh and Raj were captured and put to death. Chittagong Armory raid. In the Chittagong Armory raid were started in 1930 by Surya Sen. Surya Sen was captured armories in the Chittagong. He proclaimed the provisional revolutionary government. Proclaim means announced. Provisional revolutionary government. In 1933, Surya Sen was caught and hanged by the British. Left movement in 1930s. In 1930s, Communist Party was started. The Great Depression occurs in 1929 and 1930. Initially, USA was affected. The share market was collapsed. Speculation of borrowed money. Then, after the Great Depression, India also suffered a lot. In India, declined the trade between one country to another. Export and import were affected a lot during that time. In agriculture in India, agriculture also declined. The fall of agricultural products, the prices were increased. So, the Communist Party fight for peasants and the industrial workers during that time. The unemployment problem arose in 1934 after Great Depression. The unemployment problem arose because of lot of population in our country, not able to provide employment opportunity to all the people. In 1934, the Congress Socialist Party was started by Jayaprakash Narayan, Acharya Narendra Dev and Mino Masini. Government of India Act 1935. In 1935, Government of India Act were passed in our country. According to the Government of India Act 1935, provincial autonomy was started, self-government, and secondly, diarchy at the center, two government at the center. All India Federation was started during that time. All the states joined together with 11 provinces, 6 chief commissioner provinces were started, and princely states were joined to the federation. Many princely states joined to the federation. Finally, all subjects were transferred to the Indian ministers. By the act, Burma was separated during that time. In the 1935 Act of India Act of 1935, Burma was separated from India. Congress ministries and their work. Government of India Act 1935 announced election in 1937. After announced the election in 1937, Congress contest the election. Out of 11 provinces, 7 provinces were victorious by Congress. So they formed the 8 provinces, ministries in 8 provinces. Assam joined to the coalition government. Assam Valley, Muslim party led by Sir Muhammad Sadullah. Muslim parties are led by Muhammad Sadullah. Temple entry movement was started during that time because of the discrimination. The lower caste people were not allowed to inside the temple. That's what temple entry movement was started, revolution was started, and they allowed to depressed people, depressed caste people entry into the temple was formed. Then education was provided to all the people. The dropout rates were reduced, and finally public health care was provided to all the people. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students.